Hi, I'm Tom Hilmes, President of CNH Reman. Today's equipment owners demand more from their machine than ever before. Maximizing uptime and managing cost of ownership over the lifetime of that machine are important drivers for your customers. CNH Reman was launched 2 years ago to support our dealers by providing a comprehensive remanufacturing program offering best-in-class product coverage, availability, pricing, and quality. Using CNH remanufactured products in your overall service strategy ensures that your customers are getting the best overall value in equipment, repair, and maintenance. Plus, using remanufactured products is a great way to drive additional volume and profits through your dealership. Our remanufactured fuel injection program is a great example. We've recently launched a line of high-pressure, common rail fuel injectors that are available now to save your customers money on replacement costs. So spend a few minutes with us as we take you on a tour of our state-of-the-art fuel injection lab located here in our Springfield, Missouri Remanufacturing Center.
Our Class 6 clean room ensures the air particulate size remains under 1/2 micron per cubic meter of air. 8 HEPA filters continuously clean while replacing all the air in the room every 2 minutes. Disassembly begins with a pre-inspection process to ensure the parts can be remanufactured. Unlike repair shops, which can only repair to the point of failure, CNH Reman fully disassembles each injector, with each component being inspected to ensure they meet or exceed the OEM specifications. Only OEM tooling and fixturing is utilized to ensure that all the components are disassembled correctly. CNH Reman uses an ultrasonic cleaner and OEM-specified corrosion-resistant solvents to clean the injector components for a specified cycle time. Ultrasonic cleaning uses high-frequency sound waves to agitate the solvent. Cavitation bubbles are formed and act on contaminants which adhere to the injector components. The process thoroughly removes all traces of contamination from the parts. Sediment testing is performed to ensure that our cleaning equipment meets our cleanliness requirements, which are well above the industry standard. After injectors are ultrasonically cleaned, they are thoroughly flushed and brushed with a solvent. The collected fluid is pulled through a fine filter and then studied under a microscope to ensure the injector is free of contaminants. The components are then transferred through an airlock window into the clean room. All components are visually inspected against stringent criteria. The valve sets and nozzle tip assemblies are inspected under a digital 90-power microscope to verify there are no signs of contamination or deformation. These faults are common and are not visible to the naked eye. All valve sets and nozzle tip assemblies are updated to the latest design revision to ensure performance and durability. All seals, O-rings, and gaskets are replaced 100% with OEM parts using proprietary OEM tooling. All components are coated with an OEM-specified lubricant, a critical step to ensure proper fitment and shelf life. Our assembly process begins with OEM tooling and software that measures all critical tolerances. Because of the precision found in these injectors, all measurements are in microns. To ensure accuracy, repeatability, and reproducibility, studies are performed and maintained on all gauges in the facility. Gauges are inspected and calibrated at intervals determined by their type and area of use. The armature stroke or lift setting must be exact to ensure proper fuel delivery and timing. The air gauge communicates with OEM-specified software to measure the lift and compares it to the specification. The software then calculates any adjustment required. All CNH Reman electronic injectors go through the OEM process, which requires 16 measurements and a minimum of 46 torque sequences. An electronic torque wrench communicates with the software to ensure the correct torque is applied at each step. A green light informs the operator that the torque is correct. Upon completion of the assembly process, the CRIN injector passes through the airlock window into the test department. Consistent fuel temperature is necessary for accurate testing. The injectors are installed on a Bosch 815 test bench, which can test up to 4 injectors at a time. The test procedure lasts for 45 minutes and simulates the operating conditions of the injector once in service. Performance specifications are application-specific. The software measures actual performance against the target specifications for that part number to ensure correct calibration. Our Bosch test equipment measures fuel delivery and return, timing, and multiple injection events, commonly referred to as shot-to-shot performance. This is a critical test to ensure performance and emission requirements are met. No other test equipment in the market has this technology. A laser etching machine is used for permanent product identification. Each CNH Reman injector has its own serial number that can be traced throughout the entire remanufacturing process. CNH Reman injectors are packaged in returnable boxes that protect the product and should be used for the returning core. The package contains an identification tag and procedures to simplify core return. The technology used in today's electronic high-pressure diesel fuel systems delivers reliability, fuel economy, and emission levels far superior to the older mechanical systems we've used on our machines for years. The complexity, precise tolerances, and operating pressures require tooling, processes, knowledgeable staff, and quality controls beyond the capabilities found in local repair shops today. CNH remanufactured fuel injectors deliver the performance of a new unit that gets the equipment back on the job quickly and affordably.
CNH Reman's state-of-the-art cleanroom facility, OEM test equipment, certified technicians, and Reman-specific processes guarantee you are selling the best remanufactured fuel injectors available in the market today. In addition to our fuel program, we offer a wide range of remanufactured products including engines, turbos, transmissions and axles, hydraulics, and electrical products for your replacement needs. You'll find CNH Reman products listed in your electronic parts catalog. As always, any question about remanufactured products is just a phone call away at 1-888-Y-REMAN, where you'll find a product expert ready to help you find the right part. Want to learn more? Contact your PSSM about attending our Target Success Tour and Training sessions held here at our Reman facility. During this event, you'll get to see each of our product lines up close and speak directly with our technicians about their processes. CNH Reman is the dealer's choice for quality remanufactured products.